with Sisi with Gabriela. Alright, if you have any question, you can. Isani, this morning, when you saw your parents, what was the first thing you said? You remember?
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay, how will you say that? Garikuno. Dalawa ba rin ni Garikuno?
Buiti, Pinaki.
Okay. So, Isani said, Buiti, Binaki, right?
Good job.
Buiti, Binaki stand for good morning, yeah?
Aí,
Good job, Isani. And after that, they probably wanted to find out how did you wake up this morning, right? Did you get any question? You remember? Huh? Yeah, you can say in English. We'll translate it. Asked to play video games, right?
Yeah.
Then, busiente na.
Only if you say that, I'll let you play. Right down.
Busiente na. Nahureron.
Nahre. Oh.
Okay?
wow.
Busiente na nahureron. I want to play. Busiente na sumut.
Busen na
nahureron.
nahreru.
Busiente na nahureron. Jani?
I want to put
Busiente na
Nahuru.
nahureron. Okay, I want to play. Now I want to go to play is a different thing, but we can settle with this. Busiente na nahureron. Okay. Let's go into something else that you need to know on a daily basis. When you come here, when you meet somebody somewhere else.
How would you say, I am going to a viewing or to a, what would be? To a Beluria.
Oh. How do you say I'm going?
Nebuga,
Okay. And then,
Lida, Beluria.
okay, Nebuga Beluria.
Nebuga Beluria. Oh.
You just said Nebuga Beluria. Okay, that's the short. Nebuga Beluria, I'm going to the Velorio.
Ka Beluria. Le. If somebody asked me, then I would say,
Okay, Nebuga Beluria.
who's Beluria? The Figueroa, the whatever.
Ka Beluria le?
Ka Beluria.
Ka Beluria le? Then,
The Martinezes, the Figueroas, how would you
Okay.
say that?
then Ababanegu Lu Beluria. Okay? Lu Beluria. You see with the word Beluria?
Mm-hmm. Lubeluria,
Kalila Bele.
la, possessive, masculine.
Right. Possessive masculine. Again, Nishigaleya.
Feminine, feminine.
Tu
Ta.
Beluria.
To Beluria.
Yeah. Okay. So Lu Beluria Martinez. Yeah.
That's it. Lubeluria Martinez.
Lubeluria Martinez.
You substitute the name with any last name, or it could be a first name.
Yeah.
Lubeluria-
Bodo.
Ah.
Lubeluria Bolo. Lubeluria Jorge.
Oh.
Yeah. Lubeluria Martinez.
Sereme,
Okay?
sereme.
So, enga ba isa?
Nebuga Beluria. Ka Beluria le?
Lubeluria le.
Lubeluria Martinez.
Okay.
Martinez.
Nikki?
Nebuga Beluria.
Cheryl?
Lubeluria Martinez.
Okay. Sani?
Nebuga Beluria.
Ronnie?
Ka Beluria le, Isani?
Lubeluria Martinez.
Bravo!
Webuga.
Okay.
Ka ora gua le?
Alright.
No, what time is the...
Oh! Kaba kita.
Oh,
Name shot. Nakita le yan. I'm gonna erase this.
Let's do this. Yeah.
I see. So it's not ka ora gua le. Okay.
Got it.
Oh, okay.
Remember this word?
Yeah.
Murder? Okay? So ahorera is, you make it a verb, right? And then you remove this.
Play.
And then this one change to it.
They are going
To an E.
Mm.
It suffers several changes, more changes than a regular verb.
Ah,
Okay? But it's considered a regular verb.
good, good, good. Can we write the, continue the Beluria?
No, we're gonna change the Beluria with Murder.
Okay.
Ahorera. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, Beluria is too sad.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, Nebuga Ahorera. We're gonna start it out of there.
We're gonna
Something
play.
you can play better. Nebuga Lidon
Fed.
Fedo. Okay?
We're going to party.
Party. I'm going to the party. In the little balaga daha. How are you gonna ask? What party?
Let me see.
Anybody?
I don't know.
Kalidon fe? Kalidon fedu.
Café do Lé. Oh.
Café do.
Café do Le.
Café do Lé. That was good.
I just applied that principle, my man.
Café do Le. Kahura do Le. Cabeluria Le.
Cabelé.
Café do Le. Okay? Café do Le.
Café do Lé.
Then,
Cheryl's Fedu.
okay. Café do Ha.
Cheryl's birthday party. Birthday party.
Café do Ram.
Café do Ha Cheryl.
Café do Ram.
Is correct?
Café do Cheryl.
Okay. Café do Ha Cheryl.
And if it's a guy, La Fed do have Ronnie.
Now,
Café do Ha Ronnie.
but if I want to be specific and ask what kind of party, is it a birthday
Then
party?
you have to ask, what kind of party?
Café do.
What kind? Last week we saw the word kind. In the
Um,
Wild Indian story.
Kate.
Ba di luruye. Luruye uribu. Luruye.
Lurui. Oh.
Okay? So luruye is kind, right? So how do you ask?
Ka Lurui Fedu.
Aha. Kaluruye
Ka Lurui Fedu.
fed. Right? Kaluruye fed.
Birthday party.
What kind of party?
Cheryl's birthday party.
Okay, birthday party. Let's keep it short for now.
Okay.
What kind?
So
Happy birthday.
Question.
saltará brilhe em humo.
Toastada gulay.
Bete Banafi.
Bete Benafi,
Brother
Abuti.
flag, you know what I'm saying?
Mr. Fanazira. Mr. Fly.
Yes.
Brother flag,
Yes, sir.
ida bien.
Bien, bien.
Wo di gatti.
See there, that's right.
You're guys na third. Toastada gule,
Toastada gule.
irumo.
Irumo.
Okay? Toastada gule, irumo.
Ala goda honi arufu dahati.
Aywa.
What's the root word for tostada gulay? What does it come from?
Remove the T marking and then remove gule.
Ostara.
Hi, honey.
Kalila kay ostara.
Alay the bone. Ask her.
Kalila kay ostara. Ajustar. To adjust.
Or complete.
Or complete. Oh. Okay. Sereme.
Okay. You see the verb ostara is how will you translate complete?
Complete will be to arrive to a date.
To complete something.
Yeah, complete
Complete something.
will be to
And then remember, guda or gule,
yeah. It's
the suffix gule means the verb, it aids the verb to do something. Okay? So, toastara gule is la palabra cumplimiento.
compliance.
Cumplimiento
Well, not
and
compliance.
Yeah, that's good. That would be the translation.
Compliance. Okay.
Okay? And then the T is the marking, right? The prefix T, the marker. What if we change this?
For male.
His birthday.
Male.
Aha.
Low
What
stara gulay.
about Aganishigale?
No stara. My birthday.
Aha. Aganishigale.
Both your birthday.
Your birthday, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Both taragule
Irum.
irum. Then, que vayamos a la tuago charo. So lendia todos taragule irum. Okay?
How old is Cheryl?
Hey, let's not go there.
Okay, now atiri,
Got it. Allows the man.
atiri, irumu. No. ¿Cuántos años cumple? Right? We're talking about Ostara.
How old is she? Oh.
Atiri o atru, irumu. Atri irumu.
Cheryl.
Ostara.
Ostara.
¿Cuántos
Oh.
años cumplió?
Oh.
How
Kate-
many years does she have? That would be the translation.
Kate
How old is
irumu.
she?
Kateri rum ostara.
Atru irumu tostaru.
Ostara.
Okay? Tostaru. Atru irumu tostaru. And this is a question. Atiri or atru? Same thing, okay?
How many years does she have?
Aturu for female, atiri for male. Aturu. Oh yeah?
Okay. Means the same. Atiri, atru. It's just matter of spelling.
Okay.
Spelled differently means the same. Okay, my love?
Nebuga lido
fedu. Sumutu.
Nebuga
Nebuga
lido fedu. Café de lei.
Café do rancho.
Café de la Cheryl.
Oh, café do ranchero. Ok?
Ka
Caluruia de fedo.
calura de fedu.
Le. Olha. Oh, caluruia de fedo.
Calura de fedu. Ah.
Sumutu.
Caluruia de fedu.
Then, toastaragule.
Toastara gulay.
No, mama gule. Toastaragule.
Tostara gule.
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 Tostara gule. Irumu.
Irumu.
Okay? Tostara gule irumu.
Irumu.
And aturu irumu tostaru. Aturu irumu tostaru. That's the question. So we're gonna leave the answer blank.
18.
Okay? Agora vou. Kensi irumu.
Kensi irumu.
Okay?
15 years.
Yeah. Kensi irumu is the answer. 15 years.
Oh yeah, I remember.
Gunda.
Gudda. Gudda. Ginye. Those are suffix. Suffix.
These are some suffix.
Suffix. What about nya, gu, the suffix? And also,
Yeah, let's work on this first.
okay.
Okay? Let's use this first. Okay, the verb ostara. You see in ostara gule at the end, right? Okay, the verb aduga. Aduga, kalila bele,
Because.
to do.
Oh, to do.
Okay?
To do.
Aduga is to do. To have done or to have something made. In English will be to have made, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or made.
Is this correct?
Yeah.
No, if you're using do, it's do and then it's done.
No, to have made is
You
good.
have made, isn't it done?
Or make and
To have made. Yeah.
To have done.
You have done.
So it's already.
Yeah, to do.
That's what
You
it's
have
for.
You're right.
You have
To have done, okay?
made.
No,
Correct.
the reason that the verb is do. It's
Okay.
have done and so forth.
I see.
Okay. To have done in Garifuna will be Aduga, then
Gule.
Guda.
Good. Oh, past preterite. Past preterite, yeah. To have done.
It's not to have done. To have made.
To have made,
To
okay.
have done. To have something made.
Made.
That's what it really means. Not this one. This is a wrong
To
conjugation.
have.
To have something
Made.
made. Okay?
Can you give us an example? To have something made? Aduga guda.
Like drums.
Aduga guda.
Would you
can
like
have
something done? Get done? What?
To have something done, the homework.
Okay. Aduga guda dasi.
Aduga guda.
Aduga guda dasi.
Dasi.
Right?
D-A-S-I.
To have you guys do your homework. Right? Is to have someone do homework. Aduga guda dasi.
So therefore, guda means translated to
So,
Guda, it helps
the verb.
the verb get done. Okay, have someone get to do something. Biti binafi abati.
Binafi.
Lida dava chilo.
I'm checking
Okay.
hands.
It has a third party here to get something done. It takes a third party. Aduga guda. Yeah. Okay.
Can you use
Transfer the action to somebody else.
Can you use another word, another verb instead of aduga, and then with guda at the end?
Give me a verb.
Drum, to drum, drumming.
We're
Afara.
gonna use something. Ebuga. This is to walk, right? Ebuga guda. To aid someone to walk.
Ebuga guda.
Like a nurse.
Okay? Someone is walking, right? Can't walk. Then you help that person walk. What are you doing?
Help you.
You're assisting that person to walk.
Ebuga guda.
Right.
Oh,
So to help
wow.
them to
So this is the use of guda. What about to bring? Anuga.
Anuga.
What if you get somebody to bring something? You're gonna get someone to bring something, or
bring some food. To bring food.
yeah.
Taking
If you're gonna bring some food and you're not the one doing it, what is it? Anuga is to bring.
Anuga guda.
Anuga guda.
Running. Anuga guda running.
Eiga is to eat. Eiga is to eat. Hello, young ladies. To aid someone to eat, assist someone to eat.
Oh no.
Eiga is to eat.
Ega
Assist someone to eat.
Oh, help.
guda.
Ebuga guda.
Eiga guda.
Ega guda.
Just add guda. Sit. Add guda, you're assisting someone already.
Still stuck out.
Eat your food.
With you not reality. Cheryl, do you have a gas?
I'm still stuck on number one. So if,
And this one here?
so, I have to. So with the verb there for the doer, would that translate to make?
To what?
To make? Is it to make
To
instead of to do?
It's also to make.
Okay.
Yeah. But it's to do. Because you have someone do something. Having someone do something is aduga guda. Having someone eat something is eiga guda. Help someone to walk is ebuga guda. Assist someone in something. Okay? So that's what guda does. When you see guda at the end of a verb, you know what it is.
Helping. A helping word. Helping.
Okay. We have few verbs here. Aliha omele. Agumuleha.
Agumuleha.
Sumutu. Agumuleha.
Agumuleha.
Okay, kids, I want you to read with us, to repeat with us, okay? Everybody. You got lista? Hemala. Agumuleha.
Agumuleha.
Arimaha.
Arimaha.
Atirimuha.
Atirimuha.
Atura.
Atura.
Agumuleha.
Agumuleha.
Arimaha.
Arimaha.
Atirimuha.
Atirimuha. Atura.
Okay, everybody read.
Agumuleha. Arimaha. Atirimuha. Atura.
You don't need to know what it means. Now, those are verbs. They mean something, right? These are infinitive verbs. Now, you have someone do this, even if you don't know what it is, but you're gonna tell me how you get someone to that, perform that action for you.
Okay.
Tell me.
Agumuleha gida.
Agumuleha gida. Now agumuleha is to smoke. Okay? So what does agumuleha gida mean?
Help him smoke.
So to have someone smoke.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay?
to have someone
Yeah,
smoke.
to have someone eat is egagida.
Okay.
To have someone walk or to aid someone walk is egagida. Now, arimaha,
Arimaha.
whatever it is, this is an infinitive verb and you're gonna have someone perform the action. Arenga no? Sure.
Rimaha.
A cherry.
Arenga be?
A cherry.
One more time.
Oh, me. Rimaha Gada.
Arimaha gida. Kalila be? It doesn't matter. So we got it. Okay? Arimaha.
Arimaha.
Now that's a tough one. Kalila ba arimaha ni yamti? Okay. Arimaha is the kind of flight that the kite does.